Okay guys, we are fixing to cut this pot roast lasagna. Okay guys, it's Sunday dinner time and we are making pot roast lasagna. You're gonna love it. You're going to love it. I'm gonna be using my crock pot today. Okay, we're just gonna kind of slice up, not even dice, just slice. 1 onion. Okay, we're just gonna pop it right in our crock pot here. Gonna take 1 can of tomato sauce. Now I got this recipe from my niece. She made this years ago. And I loved it. Okay, so got our onions and our sauce right in. I'm gonna take this beef chuck roast. It's about 3 pounds. And this makes a lot. But I have a crowd coming for pot roast lasagna. So this will be perfect. Okay, we're gonna cut this pot roast. Okay, we're gonna get out some of the fat off of this pot roast. We're just gonna cut it up a little bit. Not too much, but we're gonna take off any fat that's on it. Pop that right in. Okay. We don't want that finding its way in our lasagna. And you can save these pieces for soup, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. If there's any pieces with the fat on it, I'm saving that for soup. I'm just gonna put it in a little freezer bag, and that's going for soup. See, there's a little bit of fat right there that I don't want. That there. Okay. And there's nothing wrong with this, and you could put this in there, but I really think this is going to make a great pot of soup right here. As much as beef costs today, we don't want to waste anything. So, okay, we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, we're going to take about a tablespoon of pepper and put it right in. We want it good and seasoned. And about a tablespoon of salt. Now we're going to put in about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And we're just going to mix it up. And mix it right in this pan. Just want to make sure it's coated. Oh, I got to put in some garlic. And I'd say about 6 cloves of garlic. About 2 cloves of garlic for every pound. Okay. Okay, now we need about 1 cup of beef broth. Just pour it right in. Now we're just going to get it in our crock pot. We're going to get our lid on it. And we're going to let this simmer for about 6 to 8 hours. We want it falling apart. So this is a great idea to do this on Saturday when you go to bed, and when you get up in the morning on Sunday, it's ready. So that's what we're doing. See you tomorrow. It's the next morning and our pot roast has completely cooled, and we're gonna, there is fat on top of the pot roast. Just gonna skim off some of that fat. Get it right off. This is true comfort food. I've got my oven preheated to 375 degrees. But But we want those big chunks of pot roast taken out of the pot. Sunday comfort. Remember, we've cut off a lot of that fat last night or yesterday afternoon. We cut off all that fat. And this did cook, honestly, for about 12 hours. I'm gonna put it to the side. Okay, for those who don't have gloves, we just take a plastic bag and start shredding up our meat with our hand. If you have gloves, go ahead and use them, but I wanted to show you guys an easier alternative to having gloves. And we're just shredding up that meat. And it just falls apart. It is like so tender, y'all. It is so tender. We got that all mashed up and my hand is still clean. Okay, we're just gonna kind of mix it up a little bit. My little dog smells this beef and Betty, she wants some. But she can't have any of it because it's cooked in onions. And we're gonna put in 1 can of tomato sauce. We're gonna pour it right in our bowl. Okay, we're gonna put in 1 can of peeled, whole peeled tomatoes. Just gonna put them right in our little food processor. Okay, we're gonna pour in our tomatoes, right in our tomato sauce. Just make sure you take the lid out. Okay, we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1½ teaspoons of salt. This really needs salt. Okay, we're just gonna stir it around. Okay, we're gonna need about a tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Now we need a tablespoon of chopped onion. Now we're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of olive oil, just 1. 2 teaspoons of sugar, and that's granulated sugar. Okay, now we're just going to mix up. We're not going to heat this sauce up. We're going to make it just like this. Okay, now we're going to just put in our pot roast. Oh, my little doggy wants this. She's here crying. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. That, guys, that's how quick that was. Okay, guys, we're using oven-ready lasagna. Whoever thought of that's a genius. All right, we're going to put just a little bit of sauce in the bottom of our pan. Now we're going to put in our lasagna. Going to just layer it. We want to make sure you cannot see the noodles. Going to just layer it. Going to do another layer of sauce. I'm going to say we're going to put on a cup of ricotta. Just kind of mash it down a little bit. we're going to put another layer of sauce right on top. Make sure it's good and covered. We're going to take some Parmesan and just sprinkle right in there. We just want to give it a little bit of taste, a little bit of flavor right in there. I bought this sliced mozzarella a while back at Costco. If you don't have this, it was already sliced, you can just use mozzarella. You do not have to use this. You can just use the shredded, you know, like you get at Walmart. We just added that touch of parm. Perfect. Now we need 3 more layers of lasagna. Might need 4, you know, it might go 4 for the top. Sometimes it does that. I think maybe the bowl is a little wider at the top. I don't know, but that looks like what we're doing. 4. Okay. Now, pour the rest of the sauce right over. Because we want those noodles to cook. And we definitely are going to put a sheet pan under this, so if any leaks out or spills, it won't, you know, it won't make a mess in our stove. Okay, we're going to put the rest of this mozzarella on. If you want to break it up a little bit, you can. Okay, so we're going to sprinkle on just a little bit more parm, just right on top. I love the way that Parmesan just gives it such good flavor. Okay, I have a little bit of mozzarella, and I'm just going to put it right on top because we want it all covered. We want this to be cheesy. You know, this is Sunday dinner, and we're going all out. Okay guys, we have our pot roast lasagna here. We're going to go ahead and stick it in the oven. We'll get the rest of our dinner ready. 375 degrees for 45 minutes. And don't forget the sheet pan, like I just did. Okay guys, we are going to have just a simple salad. Nothing fancy. I've got some beautiful lettuce here. Oh my goodness. It is the Little Leaf Farms sweet and crispy lettuce. It is really delicious. So we're going to have that. Okay, we'll set that to the side. Okay. Let these dry off just a minute. Make sure they're good and dry. We're going to put them in a bowl. Chop them up any size that you personally like. I like to go ahead and have everything ready. So I'm not sitting there making the salad at the last minute. So when everybody gets here, I don't have to run around. I'm done. So if these good ingredients are already in a bowl, we just pour it on the salad and Fran is ready. And my salad won't be soggy. So I can make my salad in the morning if I want to, ahead of time. All right, and these are the cutest little cucumbers. So that's it. So I'm just going to put some wrap on this, some wrap on this. My salad is ready. It's called a vanilla celebration cake, and I got it at Walmart, and I love these, and they're great because everybody enjoys these cake and ice cream together. So anyway, that's what we're having for dessert. We have garlic bread that I ordered from the Walmart bakery. So we're gonna put this on a sheet pan and we'll be ready with bread, salad, dessert, and our delicious pot roast lasagna. Okay, so we have our garlic bread ready, and I am doubling my pan. It's pot roast lasagna. Woo, I can't wait to eat. Okay guys, we are fixing to cut this pot roast lasagna. Oh my gosh. We have let it set long enough. Okay guys, we are going to try this. This is one of my favorite dishes. It's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. We're going to put our beautiful salad together, put our vegetables that we cut on top of our salad. We're going to eat our garlic bread. I'm going to have some of this wonderful, wonderful pot roast lasagna. Absolutely scrumptious. Oh my gosh, you will love it. And then we're going to have some of that vanilla celebration cake from Walmart. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. You're the best audience on YouTube.